Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. Welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this one. I really appreciate your time. So today I'm going to share with you, it's basically a laundry folding, but I am also showing off my flowers, my plants. Guys, when I moved into my house, there was no tree. Actually there was a tree, but it was a thorn tree which I didn't like. I would have kept it, but even the position where it was in an awkward position. It is where my house it is now, so I had to chop it down and put in some new plants for me to have some shades, some beautiful decor over them. I even have cut some of them to shapes. I'm liking them. So it was a cloudy day, but at the same time it was hot and it was good for laundry. So I was just hanging the laundry there. Then after a few minutes, which is 60 minutes or so, 60 minutes few, yes, it's 1 hour, then I will unhang it and then fold it right away. So if you just join me, my name is Elizabeth, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. This one specifically, I like it. It's evergreen, and I'm all for the evergreen. The plants that die in winter and fall off the leaves are not my kind of cup of tea, but if they're beautiful, why not have them? But most of them in my yard, they are all evergreen. I'm loving them. So join me today when I'm folding my laundry. This specific one here, I have trimmed it on the sides, from the bottom and on the sides and on the top, so that it can look beautiful. I don't want it to grow taller, and the only one that I want it to grow taller is this one, because I am gonna use it for shade so that we can relax under it during sunny days in this December festive season. So yeah, this year I am having shade in front of the house, because last year I was using the shade from the house which is going behind the house, and I don't want to be behind the house where I don't see what's happening in front of the house. Yeah, you have to see what is going on, because people might come in and out without you seeing them. So let's get into folding the laundry of today. You guys, I love you so much.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody around. let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be.
Thank you for joining me in today's video. Thank you for engaging on my channel. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Savannah.